Hi guys, I got a new haircut as you like and I got bangs.
Elastic panty ako,
I
ginagawa
don't
mo.
I know it's not.
So we'll have to be careful.
Ay, wala mo kaswagta.
I get this.
Okay.
So what do you think guys?
Alam ko siya kung dito tagaan, hindi na daan. Hindi tagaan, kayo rin ko para dito ito. Alam ko dito sinubos na dami.
Each type into the water, we can get 2 blocks. No, not this time. I need some
Okay
air.
guys, do my assignments with me.
Oh, that's Mikey. Well, I think that's enough stone for now. Let's make a stone pickaxe. That will make mining underwater faster.
I'm doing science.
Abo ginagana ko na reaction ko ng ano sa sense mo kitang sama ka ng boss Gcash.
Take my phone so I can copy. Yeah, that's all I gotta do.
At kagandane.
Okay, this is my mom's phone. This is my phone. It's charging right now.
Talaga yung tingnan na
It's 52%.
All right, not bad.
So now
We're doing good.
we're going to Messenger.
Oh, there's Cole.
Go to the grade 4 Aphrodite.
I heard you
wala
did
nila
it.
ka-filter, ang magiging yan. Para lang.
I grabbed
Yeah,
some
and then
coal.
we're gonna copy here.
Great. We must have enough stone now.
Wala nila ka-filter.
Oh, you guys.
I'll make a set for you now, Mikey.
That's it.
No-need na,
A
no-need.
stone pickaxe. And then a stone sword. All right.
Paano ni
Stone
Maman?
shovel to go along with it.
Sa document.
Here you go. A gift.
No thanks.
You found coal too.
Okay.
Oh, there's an apple. Let's grab
I'm
it.
copying this.
Kailangan TikTok ako na to. Ano ko?
Just
We have all the items we need to survive.
TikTok ka na, ano ko?
Nag-practice ko namin ako. Try kami ni Lois kay Batuwa.
Si Kwan? Oo.
Okay guys.
Siya, duwa ka mo.
Besides,
On
there
to your
doesn't
gonna
seem to be any
TikTok.
fish swimming in
Toko mo,
here.
duwa.
We're gonna have a
Kay Lois,
TikTok
kay mga
Did you
bata.
say this was kelp?
Isang ano, TikTok.
That's great. We can eat kelp if we dry it out first.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, this is me. That's my
Busy na, busy pa.
account. I know you cannot really
With
see,
nothing but kelp.
but
won't
this is
you?
my account. Just like because it's going to be private.
There is plenty of kelp though.
That's
The only thing is grows in the circle.
Wow.
yeah. You
that's
cannot
a
really
lot.
see the picture.
Yeah, there's so much.
Whoa, this is a crazy.
Ma, wala man din yung picture mo nga ginsan sa akong gagawa. Okay guys, so
Plenty.
yep, this time
Yes, sir.
video because I cannot really see the
Dapat ang
picture.
istorya to sa December, pero hindi na
I'll place
maga lang kami
So,
mag-premiere,
I'll be
pero
copying
namin,
this.
mga pasikingan
Actually, it's
tayo.
not going to be the end.
place the kelp.
Wait.
Hindi
Yeah,
malaga
that's
lang
what I'm
kami.
going. That's what I'm going to copy. Yeah, and I'm gonna draw it.
We already
Mama,
have
flight
4
kami,
pieces of dried kelp
kilo to
ready.
kami dito, diyan ka mo Manila.
This is for you.
Diyan na pasikingan
Okay guys, this might take so long, but you cannot watch this video
Paano
because
mag-visit
I'm
to
gonna
Manila?
copy. But if you really want to be here, you need to copy so you can always watch it.
Definitely, JJ.
So time to start. I'll just
Hindi, malaga
quiet.
kami na isa Manila.
Yeah,
Kasi 2 weeks sabi ako bakasyon, yung lawig.
Oh no, Mikey!
Huh? Zombies! What do we do?
They came out of nowhere and they're attacking.
Oh no!
You can't
Talaga
sleep
man
and
gusto
now
ko.
zombies?
What now?
Well,
Ano to?
at least zombies can't swim.
Wala ka man gusto ko. Ay, wala ka man.
Be ready.
That's good.
Wala kami.
Have you ever heard of the El Nino and La
You
Nina?
can't sleep without
Yeah, the El Nino is crackpots.
Looks like we're
Yeah,
staying up
that's
all
the
night.
La Nina. La Nina is La Nina. Cooler sea surface temperature can cause flooding and disrupt agriculture. And the El Nino, it's a warmer, safe I mean warmer sea surface temperatures, it can lead to droughts, water shortage, and crop failures. So yeah,
Silulali din.
and I've gotta copy this. The Philippines is affected by the El Nino Southern Oscillation and so, which causes changes in sea temperatures. So yeah, that's I'm gonna copy.
Alright. I didn't expect them to turn into drought like this. Oh, good one. Well, that was dangerous, huh?
Tapos ang lang bilong ipon na. Sa kabilang ipon yun ang ingyan.
We have to do it to survive. That's how it is.
Oo.
I actually don't like speaking
Tapos
English.
sige pang siglitan ka
Tagalog
laon
ako
mo.
or Ilonggo.
Gaway sa duwag na. Ulian na din daw.
Filipina ka, pero
Dami mo yung
grades
what
sa
you mean.
Filipino.
What's even worse is our dried kelp
Bro, ito,
supply.
kikito.
I'm down to my
Kikito sa
last
paano mo
Jesus,
na.
Bill.
Because lang, ikaw yung matupad mo lang yung saray mo.
Let's look for coal tips so we can dry out more of the kelp we
Kamay lang
harvested.
naging white.
Maybe some other stuff too.
So,
Alright, time to find some coal. Any yet? I was low too. Time to take a break. I'm swimming down for the lower clumps here.
Panirado, panirado. Wala nila pang
Once we have more,
it's time for me to start because tomorrow's Monday and I've gotta
something Mikey.
pass this to
Apa
my
na rin
teacher.
dito, belum ka ba? May kontrapa.
Let's go see.
Apa rin ka din, kontrapa.
It's some
Mabuna
kind
na
of
yung
cake.
mabuna na yung sa ni strong yan. Dahil tayo posible, hindi ko paano nito naging tinyan, na hindi ka away ko isa doon man. Kami gugulo.
This is the
Ginulo ko
Mikey.
na. Hindi ko paano nito nila away ko doon.
Oh, get the last spider. Who would have thought there would be a spider nest down here?
Guys, do you like my writing?
Oh,
don't like
this is
it.
great. Look at these
So
cobwebs.
that
We're so
you
lucky
can
to take
understand it. Only I can because it's so ugly.
Well,
Like me.
But yan yan. Hindi nga alam mo.
get string.
Ano sa lakapa eh, kasi nabalanya ko na wala yan eh.
Trust me, it's gonna come in handy really
Hindi,
soon.
ayaw ka pa.
Alright, that's good. That's enough for now. I'll make it
Oh,
quick.
Kain yung bote, strong girls.
Arrange them into a group of four,
Na-hurt yun siya kabi, ayaw niya
and
pa.
just like that, we crafted ourselves some wool.
Okay, I'm almost done.
That's right. If you have wool,
Ay,
here,
win. Special.
have a bed, Mikey. It's a gift.
Galing kay sa muliwan sa compound, sila kang ginaway. Si Brad Glorioso, kung kaya siya sa spin.
Well, spider webs can solve that problem too, Mikey.
Pero
Let's collect a few
igulang
more
sa spin mo.
strings.
Yung-
Okay.
I sure am
Now
glad we
I
found
am
all
going
these
to
spiders
copy
down
the El Nino because I'm done from here.
and then some
Saros na
sticks,
sa
like this.
why no? Makasarap.
All right. Look, Mikey.
Girl, what?
Pero sarap
Another
ka.
present.
Yeah, I'm done here. I'm going to copy this and this next.
A fishing rod. Which means we can use these
So
fishing
we're going to
rods
start with the
as
El
dinner.
Nino.
Let's grab this iron and then go fishing.
What do you prefer more, El Nino or El
I'd like
La
to eat something
Nino?
else too.
Comment down below.
Let's go.
Kulang na eh, manugyo sa
Okay.
bitin na.
It's time to cast our lines. Hopefully we catch a few different kinds of
Kulang na
fish.
manugyo sa bitin.
Yeah, that's ugly.
Or
And this is
any
my
fish.
white towel.
Go. nice. It's a tropical fish.
Oh my god.
Sila ikay-kay dito lang.
I just throw my bulbs and I'm going to get
Oh, we can't eat pufferfish though. Let's
Okay,
keep
got it.
fishing.
Why not?
They're poisonous. Oh, a caught.
Nice.
This is going great. Let's keep it up until we have
Okay guys, for those who don't know this trick, here are the 1, 2, skip the 3. Skip 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And go back to the 3. 8, 9, I mean, 9, 10, 11.
Great, Mikey.
1, 2, skip 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So that's how you do it.
A bunch. Let's have a feast.
Okay guys, it's enough tricks because I still have a lot to cover. See this? Starting from this, to this,
We can sleep in bed.
to this, this,
Sa kamo kita lang yung trust talk eh.
It's morning. So
It's only 15 pages,
Muna legendary.
but I've still got a lot to cover.
we can leave.
So yeah,
Just have to make it through today.
get with me guys.
That's right. But we don't know what will happen, so don't relax yet.
All right.
Okay, so what should we do today? Hmm? What? That is a lot of villagers coming for us. Oh man, we can't stay above ground. Run away. Come on, Mikey.
What's
We'll
on
take
your
shelter
mind?
down here. Why are there so many?
My classmates only know this.
Oh man, hold on. I have an idea. Okay, before they come down here, there's something I want to try.
Because they already know my account.
I made a sign. I'll put it up here. That should plug up the water.
Why did I do that?
Stand back, Mikey. It's dangerous.
Buksan ko na yung message mo yung boss ko.
The lava.
Pala ko na ng adyo kung sabi mo kayo.
There, that's good. All right.
Ow.
We'll use the security guard against
Wait,
those villagers.
wait guys, please. Ow! This is my friendship bracelet.
Sa muna tayo, hindi ko siya gawin ng kanya.
And these are my earrings.
Update mo kami ng update. Update mo kami kung ano follow up yung message mo. Sige, sige, bye-bye.
Ma, dali, di ba naman?
Bye guys.
Do you think that was the last
Dali, di ba
villager?
naman? Ma, dali, di ba naman?
It's probably safe now then.
Ma, dali, di ba
Let's
naman?
go back up and check.
Palapit, di ba naman?
All
Balik
right.
Kenzo.
Then I'll make some ladders.
Mas gagawin mo yan?
All right. Well,
How is it? Well,
Takpon mo na yun.
whoa. Wow, the sun is setting.
oh,
Already?
yeah.
Let's go to sleep for the night. In the morning, the challenge is over.
Really? Let's sleep.
Okay, good night.
Huh?
Oh,
Wow.
whoa.
Lucky.
Woohoo! That means we survived living on the water in the red circle for 3
Gawa naman
days.
sa'yo.
Challenge complete.
If you enjoyed today's adventure, make sure to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check us out on Twitter, Instagram,
May mo na sa mamaya ha.
Behind us are 10 items that TikTok made us buy.
Pipili ka mo. Ari may isa pa 20.
There are items behind you, and one of them is my